Hello. So today is day 41 of my 365 day series where I'm coloring my days as red and green. Red if it was not a good day, if I felt somewhere mentally hurt or emotionally hurt, or I was having some negative thoughts, or I didn't do anything, just remain in my zone area where I'm not doing anything, just sitting on a chair or just walking. That's it. Not doing anything which is positive or which is a kind of a thing that I'm learning something. So it is a red day, and if I'm doing something productive, like I made something in the kitchen, or I did something, like I read about something, or just made a good kind of a video you can say, or whatever it is which is making me feeling positive or good, or that I can do something, then it is a green day. Lately I'm not able to express the things. Actually, this is what I'm feeling from the last 2 days, that I'm not able to make a video which is good enough, or which can explain me what I'm having in my mind, or what I have gone through the whole day. I am feeling kind of a bit like cheating, or it's not a cheating, maybe like I'm not able to express it, that okay, this happened, that happened, this and that, because maybe I'm not able to remember the whole of the things that what happened in today's day. Like today, if I say I woke up, and after that there was nothing in my mind. Then I had my brunch. I made some my eating video. Then I went to Mossy house and played Ludo over there, and which I didn't feel this time. This is the second time I was playing, and I didn't feel anything. It was like okay. And then I just rushed from there back to home, and I want to sit on my chair and just want to see things, what is going on in my life or my YouTube studio and that stuff. Then I made some tea for me, like evening tea for whole of the family. And that's it. After that, I have overheard a lot of things about me, that she's like this, she's like that, she will not do anything, she's doing nothing, she don't know anything, she's not having a mind, she will never achieve something, she's matlab, there are a lot of objections, or you know, uh, those kind of things. So I realized that okay, it's also a red day again, and yesterday was also a red day, and today is also a red day. Actually, someone is there, that's why I'm talking like this now. So this is not like I was having a face of like I will cry in some time if the things goes on, but I didn't today. But my eyes were teary, and last night I cried while eating my dinner, actually. So I am kind of having this feeling that whenever someone will say something, there are only few people I'm in contact with, and if they are also not trying to accept me, or not trying to understand what I'm going through, so I think that's a issue where the thing starts. And definitely I'm improving myself, trying to improve myself. I'm not saying कि बिल्कुल there is an improvement, no. I'm at least I'm trying. This is what I want to share. So it's a red day, I will say. I think in the last video also I didn't told you that it is a red day or green day. So in the last day it was also a red day, and today is also a red day. So that's it for today. Today is day 41 and 11th of February 2026, and hope for the best for the next day. Let's see what will happen. And yes, there is one thing, that I'm making donuts for me tomorrow. So I just made that dough, and let's see. For the very first time I will be making it, and for the very first time I will be eating a donut, actually. So let's see how this will go. And that's it for today. It's a red day, by the way. Okay, bye.